Very good day to all. I'm K.Bakiyaraj, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of MBA at Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, to the last early classes, we were discussed the topic about one of the topic of the marketing management. It is a one element is about the product list. So now we are going to discuss the topic about the market segmentation. So before getting into the topic of marketing segmentation, so before, what do you understand? What do you mean by the term as a market? So market is a place where the buyer and the seller met with the commodity with a common price, common place for some few setting consideration. It is said to be as a market. So basically, how the market has been segmented, or how the market has been classified. So market segmentation arises from the Latin word segmentum, does mean to the cut. It serves this very purpose in marketing. So marketing segment is done to cut the heterogeneous market into identifiable into different consumer groups. So segmentation is how the market has been grouped or classified under heterogeneous component under the different type of consumer groups said to be as in segmentation. And now we are going to discuss the topic of define the term of the market segmentation according to the Kotler. So as per the Philip Kotler's definition about the market, so marketing segmentation is a subdividing of the market into homogeneous subset of the customers, where any subset may be conceivably by selected as the market target to be reached with a distinction or with a distinct market mix as a division market according to given by the definition by the Philip Kotler. And now we are going to discuss the one simple term about the market segmentation. So market segmentation is a method of dividing the market in a larger into the small grouping of consumers or an organizations in which each segment has been common some few characteristics such as the needs or the behavior. So these are the some few under the classifications how the market has been segmented according to the people or according to the nature or according to the needs or according to the behavior. So according to these bases, the market has been segmented. So what are the basis of the market segmentation? So what are the classification of the market segmentation? So first market segmentation is under the geographical segmentation. Second one is demographic segmentation. And the third one is psychographic segmentation. And fourth one is behavioral segmentation. So basically the segmentation has been divided according to the four classifications such as geographic or demographic or psychographic or behavioral segmentation. So first one, we are going to discuss about how the market has been termed as geographical segmentation. So the geographic is said to be as in location or a region or any cities or neighborhoods. So the segment has been dividing into the market into different geographical units such as the nations, the states, regions, the countries and cities and neighborhoods. So these classifications comes under the geographical segmentation. There is a first classification. Second classifications and according to the demographic. So demographic has said to be as in how the consumer based upon the consumer characteristics, how the segmentation has been considered demographic. So demographic is dividing the market into groups based on the demographical variables such as the age of the consumers, gender about the consumers, income of the consumers, and what is the occupation of the consumers. So basically, the market has been divided according to the age, or maybe the gender, or maybe the income, or maybe the occupations. So these segment comes under the demographic segmentation. And fourth one is according to the psychographic segmentation. So psychographic is how your consumers are classified according to the personality attributes that is said to be in psychographic segmentation. So dividing your buyers into different groups based upon the social class, the lifestyle and personality characteristics. So this comes under the psychographic segmentation. And the fourth one is said to be in behavior segmentation. So behavior segmentation segmented the groups into based upon the knowledge, based upon the attitude and the use or response of the product. So this is considered the behavior segmentation. And next one is what are the some few examples of segmented the groups. So every marketer to be focused based upon these categories, either gender basis or the price or the interest or maybe the location or maybe the region, or maybe the income, or maybe size of the holders. So every marketers will predict the market based upon these attributes before entering into the market. So the marketers will do the research according to the how the market will reach based upon the entire total population, based upon the gender, or based upon the price or the location. So how the marketers will pitch how the product has been placed into right consumers. So this is we discussed about how the market has been segmented. Thank you so much for this attention to this matter. Thank you.